NVIDIA stock looks insane, the rally persists and the trend is very bullish, for now at least. NVIDIA just hit our first target at 230, so what to expect next? Did NVIDIA reach its climax? Is there any exhaustion sign or any technical evidence pointing towards a possible correction? I mean, we just hit a clear resistance level, so we must prepare ourselves as this is a defining moment for NVIDIA. By the end of this video, you will learn the most important key points to watch on NVIDIA from here. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Let's start our technical analysis on NVIDIA. In the 1 hour chart, in the short term, NVIDIA is clearly very bullish. We are still doing higher highs, higher lows, but it feels like the 230 is indeed a quite important resistance level on NVIDIA. And if we take too long to break the 230, maybe there is a possibility that the market will understand this movement as a possible double top chart pattern. So either way, NVIDIA has to react as soon as possible. We have a crystal clear resistance around 230 and a crystal clear support level around 208. As long as NVIDIA remains inside this channel, I believe nothing important, nothing meaningful is going to materialize on it unless if we see a breakout. What if we see a downwards breakout? If we see a downwards breakout, then NVIDIA could possibly trigger a sharper correction, possibly losing the 21 exponential moving average. In this scenario, NVIDIA could easily seek the first Fibonacci's retracement, the 38.2, which is around 195. In addition, the 192 was a previous resistance level on NVIDIA over here, so this entire area between 195, 192 is going to become our next support level on NVIDIA if it actually triggers a possible double top or if it loses this support level at 208 downwards. All right, so let's pay attention to the support level at 208 because if NVIDIA loses it, maybe we are going to see a sharper correction on the stock, at least to the next retracement area. Now, what if we break the 230? Well, the 230 was our first target since down here, the 150, because the 230 is an open gap on NVIDIA, right? This gap is open since April 8, 2022. It has been open for a while right now, so we are about to fill this gap completely. And since we are talking about it, remember, if you want timely analysis on NVIDIA and other stocks, join the top 5% community. We are nailing many good movements on many stocks. Check my website, the link is in the description of this video. We bought NVIDIA down here near the 150, so we are doing very, very well so far. And we just hit a resistance area. So what's next? Well, if we see weakness signs, let's not be surprised. Right now, do we see any weakness sign? No, there's not a single bearish reversal structure. There's not a single top sign on NVIDIA yet. Yes, there's a possible double top chart pattern, but this is it. Right now, NVIDIA is not showing any clear sign of exhaustion, at least not yet. If it does, okay, maybe you're gonna trigger a sharper pullback. The 208 is going to be our next support level, which is gonna be very close to the 21 EMA in the daily chart over here. So this is going to be quite a nice support area. Only if we lose this support area, NVIDIA is going to correct to lower levels. But this is it, all right? This is it. As long as NVIDIA remains above the 21 EMA in the daily chart, the bias will remain extremely bullish as far as I'm concerned. Now, Nathan, what if we actually break the 230 over here? Well, if we break the 230, NVIDIA is going to at the same time frustrate last week's shooting star candlestick pattern. By frustrating this pattern in the weekly chart, we don't see any other meaningful resistance area except the 290 area over here. In my humble opinion, the next resistance level, if NVIDIA breaks the 230, mid-term speaking, is the 258 over here. Long-term speaking, yes, is the 290, but mid-term speaking is the 258, which is the next open gap on it. This is going to become our next resistance level on NVIDIA, and probably we're gonna find a resistance over here if we break the first gap at 230. For now, NVIDIA is not doing any crystal clear bearish reversal structure, but remember, NVIDIA is about to report earnings in 1 week. Next Wednesday, February 22. So this will probably increase the volatility for a while. I don't believe it is going to work as a game changer on NVIDIA stock, but still, the volatility might increase and we could see a real breakout from the 230 over here if earnings surprise investors, in my humble opinion, of course. Now, if you believe that NVIDIA has to crash because it is just too stretched, it went up too much too fast, then you should pay attention to the 208 support level, because only by losing the 208 NVIDIA could officially trigger a sharper correction. Let's pay attention to these key support levels from now on, and if you're still watching this video and you are not my subscriber, come on, you probably liked the content, so I invite you to join our community, join our channel, click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.